Hey guys, yes, the brow tutorial I promised you guys. So to first of all begin drawing your brows, you have to make sure that your brow pencil is well sharpened. So now I'm using the Davis pencil and I'm just outlining. So I'm outlining from the bridge of the brows to the arch and then to the tail. My client already has full brows, really good hair, so I'm just going to be filling in lightly and then just structuring and outlining carefully according to what she wants. As you can see, I'm just doing slight strokes, upward motion, lightly. I'm really holding this pencil very lightly, no pressure at all. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other part of the brows, outlining again, filling in the brows from the bridge of the brows to the arch and then to the tail. No pressure, guys. You always remember that, except you want your brows really dark, and then you can either add pressure or use a much more darker pencil to draw your brows. But in this case, we are not doing that. We're only filling in. And if you look closely, you see that I am not applying any product at the beginning of the brows. We don't want no boxy brows. Now I'm going to be using this glassy brow pencil. I'm using a dark shade. In fact, it's black. I'm just slightly adding it just to enhance the brows even more further, and I'm only adding this brow pencil at the tip or the tail of the brows. Now I'm going to be using my foundation. I'm mixing both foundations together. Remember, we used the NARS and the ZKL foundation. I'm mixing both shades together to get an actual shade of foundation. I'm mixing them, and then I'm going to be first of all using this foundation to shade the brows. This will help as a guide towards how the entire brow will be, how I'm going to draw the entire brows. Now I'm going to be using a lighter shade of concealer, which is like 2 shades lighter, the Kevin Kwan concealer. I'm just going to be highlighting the brow bone and towards the tail of the brows. I don't like to use too much product when concealing my brows, so I'm using very minimal product. You really don't need too much product, guys. Just little product will do the job. Now I'm doing the same thing for the other part of the brows. Take your time, guys, and if you make any mistake, you can always fill in again and then correct yourself. Nobody is perfect. Now I'm going to be cleaning up the brows and then just dragging downwards, blending very well. If you're a working makeup artist and you want to get the perfect brows or see your work clearly, step back a little bit and then you can see the errors or anything you need to correct and go back again to correct them. Now I'm going to be using the ZKL brow gel to tame the brows, and I'm going to be brushing in a slanting motion and not upwards but slanting motion, just the way the brows are placed. I hope you learned something from this short brow tutorial. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Bye.